Alright, let's dive into adding a face tracker effect in Premiere Pro. First, I've added a video clip to my timeline that I want to apply the effect to. Highlight your clip and head to Effect Controls. Here, increase the scale value by at least 30% to ensure we don't hit the black edges of the screen while tracking our face. Now, go to Effects and find Transform. Add it to our video clip. You'll need the ruler and guides for this. If you don't see them on your quick bar, you can add them by clicking on the plus button and dragging them directly to your bar. Click and drag the outside edges of your ruler inwards and line up both the horizontal and vertical positions to match your face. Back under Effect Controls, click the stopwatch icon under Position. This will create a keyframe. Move ahead a few frames until the position of the face moves out of your crosshair. Then, readjust the X and Y position under Transform to line it back up. Continue this process, moving ahead a few frames at a time and adjusting the crosshair each time for as long as you want to keep tracking your face. And there you have it. That's how you add a face tracker effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.